Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix your Telegram that has reached the limit error. This tutorial will be a bit confusing, so make sure to pay attention and watch until the end. So, I have one way to fix this, but it's gonna require you making another account. But it's really simple, so I'll show you how to do it now. The first step is opening App Store. Now, search for temporary phone numbers. As you can see when you scroll down, you will see a lot of apps that give you free numbers to use. So just tap on the very first one you see, and here you go. There are lots of numbers you can use as your new Telegram account, and it's really simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.